Yo, welcome. Thank you for joining. Today is a banger of a day. We have a Ganja White Night and Subtronics remake. I'm showing you guys how to make a Womp bass. If you guys want this preset and full project, it will be in my Patreon. You can get it there and support me as well. Let's go ahead and check this out first. I'll play it now. Yes. This is how we do it. We have some melodics in here. We have the Womp bass. I'm going to show you everything. This is the Womp bass. We're going to dive deep into this serum patch so I can show you how to make this. But then we also have these supporting like synths. So violin, viola. These are cymbals. Or a snare, a kick. Alright, so as you see here, we're not just playing the root note the whole time. We're actually playing the root note, which is A. This is an A minor, this song. And then we go down to F. We're like moving up and down the scale. This is the matching sub. We mesh this with the bass. Let's check out the serum patch. We have two different oscillators playing with some minimal post-processing. The first oscillator is digital distortion 8-bit FWOP. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive into this here. So this wavetable position's on 83. Bend plus is turned on, and that's on 28%. And the level's turned all the way down. We made this LFO. It's like a little ball, and then we cut it off right here at the end. It's on trigger, 1/4 rate. This LFO, we put it on the level, turn it all the way up. We put it on the bend plus, we turn it up 17. We put it on the wavetable position and turn it up 17 as well. Turn on the noise oscillator, AC hum 1, level all the way down with the LFO on that level going up 15. The sub will be turned on, but this is using the triangle instead of the sine wave. Make sure the direct out is on the sub as well as the noise. Level is all the way down on the sub, and then you're going to turn that all the way up with the LFO on the level sub. Okay, cool. Turn on oscillator B, turn it up 1 octave. Same wavetable. Set wavetable position will be at 36. It's going up 2. Bend plus is on. This is at 40%. Level is all the way down as well, and the LFO is going up 26. We're going to use the filter, a low pass 6 filter, MG low 6, with the cutoff on 17. The LFO will go on the cutoff and it'll go up 47. And this is what's creating a lot of movement here. Check it out. Lots of movement. I'll go ahead and turn off the post-processing just so you guys can hear it without the post-processing. This is oscillator A. So this is like the main sound. Then oscillator B we turn up. This is like an extra higher octave version. And we're not turning the level all the way up. It's only going up maybe like 25%. Let's give it a little bit higher tones there. Now we have a lot of different effects on here. So let's turn these off so you can hear. So this filter is doing a lot here. We're going to turn on hyperdimension. Mix is at 34%. This mixes all the way down. Turn this on this EQ. This is creating more movement. Freak knob at 547. LFO going down -19. Keys at 60%. Freak knob here is at 2649, and the LFO is going down -17. Make sure you change your shapes here to this high pass and to this notch. Gain is 4.9. This distortion is on tube on 80%. This phaser, depths all the way down. Freak knob's at 1179. Feed is at 80. Rate is at 0.8. The compressor is also turned on. We go ahead and put the gain on 9 decibels with multiband on. Threshold, we turn it down to -14. Lastly, we add the filter, just another low-pass filter, MG-Low 6, cut off all the way up, resonance at 39, drive at 25. Awesome. We'll go ahead and save this preset. Remember, this will be in the Patreon. This will be the Dripment Womp bass, easily. Save that. After you make this patch, you go ahead and put reduce ambience, OTT. Time is all the way up. Amount 68. We use the saturator to pump up the drive. 5 decibels, make it louder. EQ, taking out the lows. Pumping at 7,000 right here. And highs. We use G-Clip to pump it up 2.8 decibels of gain with 2 times oversampling on. This is a free plugin. Go ahead and get to that. It's amazing. Softness is all the way up as well. More gain. Cut the lows, add a little bit more highs. And lastly, add another clipper just to clip it at 0. Keep in mind, the sub's playing with it, so this is without the sub, right? And then the sub is separate right here. This is the Dripment sub Womp, right? We use this pedal to add extra bass with sub turned on. Otherwise, it's my regular sub. Sine wave, easy, easy. We have this LFO on the level, going 1/4 rate to match the the speed of the bass. Very important. Easy with the get down there. We have simple sweeps, you know, on the beginning. And then we have these snares, which are just layered and post-processed. The saturator, and a shifter to kind of tune it to the right frequency, and an easy kick. Main thing here is the way that we're moving through the scale. We are not just staying on the root note. We're definitely moving up and down, and this is creating a lot of different rhythm and melodic movement that is just amazing. So like this is the root, this is the home. We stay here and we're going down, we're going back here, we're going up, and we eventually resolve back home at the end of this phrase, this little 4-bar section. This is important. And then these notes can literally be copy and pasted here with these synths. We can move these up octaves to create matching melodic. That's how we get down. You already know what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like the video, comment, and put a subscribe. Hit that subscribe. It'll be worth it. I have lots of videos coming soon. You guys will learn everything you need. Join the Discord if you want to hang out with friends for free and learn for free. Big guys, have a great night and a good weekend. Stay fresh, keep it real all day. Peace.